Martha Karua tumekuwa naye kwa muda mrefu. Tena sisi uchaguzi uliopita tulikuwa na Martha. Tumezuru naye eneo hii yote kila mahali tukitafuta kura. Lakini baadaye yale yalifanyika mnajua. Si mnajua? Kini sasa tukasema sasa yale yaliyopita. Nchi mpaka endelee mbele. Sivyo? Kwa hivyo ikiwa kama nchi iko na shida tunatatua. Uchaguzi mwingine itakuja 2027. Ikifika wakati hiyo watu wataingia kwa kiwanja. Lakini kati hapa mpaka pale mpaka nchi iendelee. Kama sivyo Kenya inaweza kuteketea. Ikiteketea watu wote watapoteza. Si watu wote watapoteza. Kwa hivyo hakuna makosa.
People sometimes converge and other times disagree. And when you agree to disagree, it is okay. Last season, I campaigned with Baba and I helped to enter the mountain amidst great hostility. But after 5 days of braving that hostility, mukatulia na tukaweza kuendelea. Because politics is not for the faint-hearted. But I want to agree also that it is the right of those who feel that broad-based is the way to go. It is also our right to disagree. And that is why I firmly remain in the opposition. I firmly remain with the people.
Yale sisi tumefanya, sisema mimi asijaenda kwa Ruto. Yeye alikuja kwetu. Lakini tulisema sisi hatuingii kwa serikali. Lakini mpaka tutatue shida hii ambayo iko hapa sasa. See, this new constitution is not the constitution that we had. It is not a Westminster constitution. The Westminster constitution is clear. There's a government and opposition. Front bench and back bench. Lakini hii ime separate legislature, executive na judiciary. Bunge ni bunge. Bunge yenyewe si ati ya serikali na upinzani. Iko majority and minority. But all of them are oversighting the executive. So you have not gone into kwa executive. Sisi tumesema tuko katika bunge, tuko upinzani. Tuko upinzani, we are oversighting the executive. The whole parliament is oversighting the executive. It's not part of the executive.
And today we must continue questioning government, questioning its policies. We must continue saying no to abductions, saying no to executions, saying no to grand theft of public funds when basic services are suffering. We must continue saying no to the suffering through the she. One doesn't even know what is what. We must continue asking for money for education. Those are the issues we would want looked into. And that's why the framers of our Constitution found it fit to decree that Kenya will be a multi-party democracy, that in Parliament there will be a minority side and a majority side. But when you merge the minority and majority, as is happening in the broad-based, you deny people the power to question government from a position of strength. So while blessing the broad-based for those who see it that way, I still request them to do what the law says, to enter in political holy matrimony, which is a coalition registered by the Registrar of Political Parties, to let the vital committees sit with parties absolutely not in government. I am saying that because we are lionizing a man who lived his life well and who did things with excellence. If you are a teacher, perform your job with excellence. If you are a politician like me, perform your job with excellence. It means going. That's what I try to do, to stand my ground at all times. I remain a friend of Baba. He is my brother, but politically we have agreed to disagree.